Hey, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today we're going to be checking out the iPhone 12/12 Pro case from Ringke. This is the Fusion X. I really love this case. I had it for my iPhone 11 Pro and it was just amazing. Bumper case, gave you a lot of protection, but yeah, let's check it out for the iPhone 12 range. Thank you for watching LS Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, enable notification with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So Ringke actually makes a lot of different cases from different phones, not just for iPhone, but they have a huge range of collection from different designs, simple ones, sturdy ones. But this is the Fusion X, which is a bit of a mixture of a style as well as a bit of ruggedness, and I just love it because it gives you that extra protection. This is the packaging itself, so we've got the logo there, live a better day. And of course you can see this is the Fusion X for the iPhone 12/12 Pro and the Camel. So this actually comes in 3 different versions. I normally went for the standard one for my iPhone 11 Pro, which I really loved because I had it in gold color, but this time I actually got the Pacific blue, so I think this Camel will look really nice, give you that navy feel. But yeah, of course we've got Ringke's famous deco packaging, but yeah, let's just open this up. So inside we do have their little accessory to 20% off coupon code. So you can see they have a huge range of selection here, from cable management to car mounts to stands. And on the back side you can see even they got some Apple Watch and watch accessories, which is really nice. That's really nice of them. Of course we have to remove both phones on both sides, and here's the case itself. As you can see, that looks really nice. You can see the texture of them come on the back. So of course with that navy blue it's going to look really amazing. But of course these cases only retail for $12, so they're on the budget side. But yeah, let's just peel off this back here. It's a very simple peel. So let's look at the design wise. So on this side we should have the branding. Where is it? It's on this side here. So we've got the branding there, Fusion X. Of course this is a TPU bumper with a polycarbonate back, so it's going to be really sturdy, and of course you have that really nice design, and it's actually got texture as well, so it's going to be not slippery, so that's really good. Decent cutout for the camera, as you can see. But of course with the 12 you have this flat design going around everywhere, and then of course you have those little extra protection in the corners in case you drop it and stuff like that, which is really nice. So of course I had mine for my 11/12 Pro as well, which is this one here. As you can see, that's a huge change in the design from the flat to these little rugged edges, which in my opinion I like this edge as well because it had more lines, more edges and curves, but this one is just really flat. But of course a lot of people just want that flat design because of the iPhone 12. But as you can see, a lot of change. But of course this is the see-through one, and you can get this in a see-through as well. So if you want to show the color of your phone, like if you get the gold one, probably will go for the clear case. But for this navy blue or Pacific blue, I think this will look really nice. So let's just put this in, and yeah, that is nice. That is a really navy blue color there. As you can see now, you got that navy feel with the camera and everything. That looks really good. You can even see the Apple logo there. It's a bit hard, but you can see it. But yeah, let's try the power button. Works fine. Let's unlock it. Let's try rolling rockers. No issue there, as you can see. Goes up fine. Let's try the mute switch. Yep, we've got a decent cutout there. Works fine. So let's just look at the protection. So as you can see, got a really nice lip protection here in the corners, and then it goes to its minimum, but then it goes raised on the edges as well, so it's got more protection on the bottom side. This way when you're going to drop it on the floor, it's going to give you much more protection. And on the back we've got a decent cutout for the camera, and that is raised as well to give you protection for the lenses, which is good. And of course we've got a decent cutout for the speaker grills as well as the lighting port. Overall, the case looks really nice. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, it's like medium, good protection. So if you like a slim design but you want that ruggedness bumper case on it, in case you're dropping and stuff like that, I prefer this when I'm at work because I know I drop my phone, and this case really well. I have this case for over a year now and that's been really sturdy, so this gotta do something. This is just so nice. Like after that design and that Pacific blue looks really great. Minimal look, I have to say. It's not too flashy or anything like that, but I like it. It is just the job. It looks nice. So yeah, the case looks really nice. I feel the feel is good. You got that TPU bumper with that polycarbonate back with that amazing design with the texture. But yeah, let's try out some charging methods, see if the lightning port works as well as the wireless charging. Of course, with iPhone 12, you've got MagSafe, so let's see how that works. So I've got my wireless charging pad here. Let's just put the phone on the top. Make sure that hit. Yeah, that is working fine, so we've got no issue there. This is our MagSafe here, so let's just put it on the back. And that is charging, as you can see, works fine. No issue there. Let me take it off again, put it back on, and it's charging, which is really great. So we've got no issue with the charging, but what I want to state is that the magnet is less strong now because of the case being in the between. But of course, as you can see, it sticks on with no issue. Charge is not falling off, but of course I can't do like that. When I take my case out, I'll show you how strong the magnet is on its own. I can place it on and I can pull the phone up with no issue, as you can see there. That's how strong that cable is on its own. But with the case, you saw it did lose some of its strength because the case is not MagSafe compatible, so you are losing a bit of the strength. But of course, you're not going to want to like have your phone dingling anyway. But if you have this on your desk, you should be no issue. It just plugs in and it just charges with no issue, so that is good. But if you're hoping for it, you want like having a different MagSafe mount in the car, you want to know how well that works, it's not going to do a good job because this magnet loses its strength because of this one thin layer. But otherwise it works fine. But yeah, so I've got a standard Apple Lightning cable here. Let's just plug that in. That works fine, no issue there. Charging works, and of course you can see actually decent sized cutout, so you actually got a bit more space left in case you got a thicker cable or if you got a third-party cable. You shouldn't have any issues there, but this works fine. MagSafe works fine. Charging works, of course the magnet is less strong, and wireless charging works fine, so that's really amazing. So overall, the case is really impressive. So all the charging works, gives you that protection. You got this nice camel feel, and of course you have this texture, so it's not going to be that slippery phone. And with the bumper you got even much better grip, so in case you drop it, it's going to help you with some protection as well there. Overall, I have to say I'm impressed with the case. Yes, I was impressed with the previous case I've used for my iPhone 11 Pro. I had no issues with that from charging and the strength. Like I've dropped that phone so many times and I've not had a single scratch on it. That case was just sturdy. So when I go to work, this is my go-to case for work. But otherwise, I'll probably use some thin case when I'm at home and going parties or stuff like that. But for my work, I think this is the case it's going to be rocking on. That protection and everything. But yeah, if you want to check the case out, I'm going to leave a link in the description for Amazon UK, Germany as well as America. So do check it out. But as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.